How nice! Did you see these photos of our neighboring village? Their health center seems so good.
Yes, even our village is heading that way. Just yesterday, Asha Didi was saying that the health and nutrition status in our village is also improving due to the VHSNC initiatives.
VHSNC? What is that?
VHSNC means Village Health, Sanitation and Nutrition Committee.
Oh, Asha Didi, please come in.
Improving sanitation, nutrition, health of people and health services in the village, monitoring health services, ensuring these services reach every household, and involving the panchayat and the community at large in achieving these are the main objectives of VHSNC.
I see. Who are the members of this committee?
I am the Panchayat member. I bring together the Panchayat, VHSNC and the community in these collective health endeavors. I am Anganwadi worker. I work to make our community malnutrition free under the leadership and supervision of VHSNC.
And I am ANM. Under the leadership and supervision of VHSNC, I provide health services to children and their mothers. I organize the Village Health Sanitation and Nutrition Day.
And I, being the Asha of our village, I have a significant role in VHSNC. I am the link between VHSNC and the health department. In our village, VHSNC meetings are held on a pre-decided day of every month. Lata, if you have the time, do come to the next VHSNC meeting.
Oh, what would I do in the meeting among all of you?
The VHSNC selects 15 villagers as members of the committee. Women and also the underprivileged villagers are given priority.
Besides, we have volunteers, youth committees, school teachers and representatives from various government departments. We also include lactating mothers and pregnant women who are more likely to use the healthcare services.
It is through your involvement we understand what the needs and gaps are, and then the committee can take action.
What exactly does VHSNC do?
VHSNC is a platform for community initiatives. It is a collective effort to bring everyone together to strengthen our village.
In the VHSNC meetings, we discuss the challenges in availing the health, sanitation and nutrition related services. Then, we collectively discuss possible solutions. If we cannot solve them at the village level, I take up the issue with the block officer using the panchayat's help.
Asha Didi records important data like birth, death, infant mortality, accidental deaths, malnutrition, child marriage, family planning, institutional births, etc. I help in planning for the village, taking this data into consideration.
I note down all the important decisions made in every meeting to keep a track of the progress on each of them.
I try to ensure that information about the benefits of government services and schemes are accessible to everyone.
VHSNC is entitled to an annual untied funds that its members collectively budget and plan to spend on the village's health, sanitation and nutrition initiatives.
And all these expenses are properly recorded in accounts. Health-related services are made accessible to all on the Village Health Sanitation and Nutrition Day. VHSNC is also responsible for organizing this day successfully.
So if we all contribute to VHSNC, all our complaints will be resolved and we all can enjoy better services.
Absolutely right.